Hi there guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my All Access Pass review. So guys, All Access Pass by Kevin Fahey. It was launched on the 26th of December, Christmas Day. Okay, I was resting during Christmas, so I'm kind of late with this review. I mean, I could not skip it because it's a cool offer. Oh well, if you know a thing or two about Kevin Fahey, who he is, what an amazing quality vendor, obviously big time millionaire, right? Multi-millionaire, affiliate marketer, then you will appreciate this offer big time, okay? Well, let me tell you right off the bat, who are we actually dealing with. So this is Kevin Fahey. And he, for the last 15 years, as he says in this video, definitely watch this video by him, because he explains it way better than anyone else what this offer is all about. But he says that for the last 15 years, 15, okay, he has been eating, sleeping, and breathing affiliate marketing, okay, like internet marketing. What can I say? So yeah, amazing vendor, very good quality, and this is like a, there's no OTOs, it's a straightforward offer. And what you're gonna get here, okay, you have two options of paying, either upfront or you can do like a split payment as well. But let me just tell you it's launched on Warrior Plus. Let me just tell you show you his score. Okay, so strong, over 4.5 stars. He has released quite a few products, okay, all of them amazing feedback. And what you are getting here in this offer is basically all access to all of his previous products he has launched so far, and he has released many. I'll show you all of the products you're getting here access to. Plus, you will get access to everything he will release in 2023. Okay, so a no-brainer, really. Now here you also have the coupon $90 off. It's gonna be a quite pricey deal, so let me show you the price. And that is going to be, so the coupon is automatically applied, so instead of $697 you'd get it for $607. So, and after the launch period, in a few days, the price will go up by $300. Okay, and again, the offer is insane. Okay, and it's gonna save you so much money. Okay, you get access to all of his past products and his future products, the ones he will release in 2023. And you can also do 2 small payments of $367, but you're way better off paying upfront, so if you have the money and if you're interested. So basically, again, you get all of, it says here, get all of my most powerful online marketing courses I've ever created, plus everything I release in 2023. I'm going to show you how we predictably generate generate high 5 figures per month with that simple online marketing and sales strategies you can implement with your eyes closed. Okay, so watch this video. Definitely you'll find the link to the sales page below my review, guys. Watch this video, 20 minutes long. Okay, it's Kevin Fahey talking in that video. This guy does not beat around the bush. Okay, here you get all of the testimonials, all real. Okay, and obviously, he's saying that, again, for the last 15 years, he's been eating, sleeping, and breathing online marketing. So you're getting all of that straight from the horse's mouth. Okay. And, okay, so here's, guys, it's called All Access Pass. So what can I say? Okay, you're getting access to all of his previous products, and here are the products. So I am coaching series, training, okay. The other one is called 10-day bootcamp. Okay, read all about these products. Watch reviews on this product. I mean, you're getting all of his stuff anyway. So with this offer, so I don't want to make it too long because it's just a short and sweet sort of video on this offer. I could not skip it because it's too good, okay, to miss out on it, on my opinion, for serious people. So the next one is called I Am Checklist, then Premium PLR Reports, and I Am VIP training, download PLR products, lifetime access with ongoing monthly updates. There you go. 100k per year made simple. Emergency report for marketers. Then you're getting free traffic shotgun. I mean, you know, these are like complete products, obviously. Email marketing on fire. So very, very valuable training courses. An easy repetitive system, traffic 5, project restart training interviews, commission 5, 100% K training, 100%, not 100%, 500k training, 20k extra training, a list building masterclass, free affiliate funnels, and way more, guys. You know, like there's no point of me like reading all of them out. You can, you know, see for yourselves. I will attach the link to this sales page below my review. I'm totally promoting it. I think it's an amazing offer, okay, for serious people. So here's again listed everything you're getting here and like the real value. So, you know, total value $12,000, and you're getting this for $697, actually for $607, because if you click on this auto apply coupon here, you're getting $90 off. Okay, and then what else did I say? And I mean, yeah, I would feel stupid offering some bonuses on top of that, because I mean, like, to go through all of that, you'll need a lot of time, okay? Not gonna have extra time to go through some extra bonuses, because the value of it, the savings are massive. So if you want to spend the money wisely, okay, and take it seriously in 2023, this is a good, you know, deal, a great deal, splendid deal to go for, and then put your head in the game, obviously. But also, guys, I do have some amazing courses that, you know, I give you for free. Also on email marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. Okay, you can get them with or without buying this offer, this all access pass from me. I will attach the link to the sales page below my review in the description box. All you need to do, you don't need a credit card to access these courses. Just click on these buttons here, the blue ones, and you will be directly taken directly to the sales pages. Check them out. See what the vendor sounds like. He's a super cool guy. His name is Tim Michaels. I'm in touch with him all the time. I really recommend his stuff. Very, very value packed. Okay, so see if you like it. If you like it, get it. If not, leave it. Alright, guys, so also check out this all access pass. The link will be below my review in the description box. I mean, it's a crazy cool offer. Yeah, it is kind of pricey, $600, but the value is insane. So if you have that money, you want to spend it wisely, again, it's worth it. It is totally worth it. Okay, love you and leave you. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.